Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, we're going to make something really simple and budget friendly. We're just going to do some sardines, canned sardines with some tomato and a few other little bits. I like to serve mine on toast, but this is equally as good served with some rice or some spaghetti or some other sort of pasta. Very easy. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. So let's take a look at what we have here then. So I've got 2 regular sized tomatoes that I've cut nice and small, and I've got 2 cans, you know, those kind of the classic can of sardines. Now these come in sunflower oil. You can get them in tomato sauce if you want, and you can use that with this, no problem. 1 onion, like a cup of sweet corn, I'm using it from a can, a couple of cloves of garlic, nice hefty teaspoon of chili powder. We're going to start this off with some oil. I'm using olive oil. We're going to add some salt and pepper. That is about it. It's very easy. So I've got some olive oil there. You could be using a different oil if you want. Simply, we're going to get our onion in and our garlic, and on a fairly high heat, let's get this cooking for about 3 to 4 minutes. See you then. So these are cooking really nicely. Next up, we're going to add our fresh tomato. Now you can be doing this with a can of tomatoes if you want. I think the fresh ones taste a bit better. To that I'm going to add salt. Some black pepper. And our chili powder. Now you could be using chili flakes if you wanted, or maybe like some Tabasco sauce or something, like a hot sauce. Okay, we don't want to cook these out now, so it's going to take maybe 4-5 minutes maybe staying on this heat, and that's why I asked you to use a nice ripe tomato for this. And what should happen is we'll get some moisture from them as they cook down. It's in about 5 minutes or so. Okay, so these tomatoes are cooking down nicely. As you can see, we've got a little bit of moisture from them. Next up, I'm going to add that sweet corn. Now you could be adding anything you want here. A can of baked beans. Think about that. Some mushrooms or some other vegetables, some olives. Plenty of stuff you can play around with here. We're now going to drop in our sardines. In they go. I'm going to lower the heat, not to a simmer, but above a simmer. And we're going to let this go for about another 4 or 5 minutes. And it's done. It's really nice. Beautiful with pasta, fantastic with rice, or my favourite is on toast. See you in a moment. Okay, off goes the heat, and we're done. Really simple. I'll see you at the table. And there you go. Like I say, I like mine on toast, but equally as good with pasta, or so, you know, some spaghetti or something, or some rice. But yeah, beautiful, nice and easy, cheap, easy, tasty. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you. Say hi to us, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.